You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Yeah.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Good morning, sweet angel. You look fabulous today. Can I get an owa owa? Oh.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
When dad is mad at you, but still loves you.
What career do I want to go down? And then I met Ali.
We just clicked.
We finished.
I don't even have time for my love life, to see my family. I don't even have time for nothing. I'm working every single day. I'm depressed. Shouldn't even be feeling that way.
Nah, you shouldn't. You shouldn't at all, you feel me? I know you got a lot of people depending on you, and I know that's a lot of pressure on you.
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
No, I don't want to play peekaboo. No, peekaboo. No!
We bought
He loves you. Or she, or whatever. Let's say that's probably a girl right there.
It's lit! Straight up. Okay.
Come here. Come here, baby. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Uh-oh.
Okay, this is an apple. This is a banana. Show me the apple.
Hi. Good morning.
If you like my puppy and you think he's really neat, you should like this video so he gets another tree. I think he's really cute, and I bet that you do too. If you like my puppy.
Dakari, who's your best friend? Is it Tucker Man? Good boy. And good boy, Tucker Man.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
How my ordinary cat sounds like? How Maine Coons sound like?
Hágame el favor y me dice por qué me regó todo eso allá arriba. ¿Ah? Respete. Usted la basura no la tiene por qué tirar.
Small boy, baby, tiny, tiny boy, does not know anything, does not even know ABCs, just knows be little and nap.
Bunny, look here, take it. Somebody come. Hit this one, this one. There you go. Open your mouth. Open. Open. Good.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Start with me today. Pump 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got beanie. Number 2, we got heat. Number 3, we got it. Number 4, we got beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got cheat.
Well, guys, it's almost midnight, and this little birdie flew in through my open door. Time to fly back out. Looks like Doorknob's been hogging all the ranch. Karen, stop eating Doorknob's food. Go. Get out of here. Get out. Now that these spy cameras are done updating, they can go with the rest of the birds. Enjoy your new temporary home, kids.
Damn it. Oh, the body roll.
Don't let her jump off the bed.
No one's been that excited to see me since ever.
Who wants a treat? Sir? Sir? Wait. Very good. One ring? Good job. One ring. Sir. Sir. Oh my goodness. Sir? You got a problem. You got a big problem.
I'm about to show you the most dramatic lion ever. Lion, it's time to wake up. Good morning. Good morning, it's time to wake up. Good morning, yes. Good morning, my child.
Wow. You're amazing. Keep going. I'm proud of you. Show me what you got. Wow. You're such a good pole dancer. Keep going. Keep it going. Whoa. Can you do it again? What are you doing? Whoa.
Kurt, they really want to chirp chirp now. Hey!
What? Dad gave you a bath? With soap? And then he rinsed you again? Oh my goodness. I can't believe he did that. No way. Oh my goodness. You poor thing. You want some hugs to feel better from your traumatic experience this afternoon? You poor thing. I'll give you some scratches.
Hey, what?
Ready? This is from Jesus. This is from Mama. This is from the devil. It's from the devil.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my God! This is from the devil.
Oh my God.
It's from Jesus. This is from Jesus. This is from the devil.
So this is Tugger's beloved hedgehog. He's had it since he was a puppy. We got it before he was born. And I always really dread washing it. But it just gets so nasty and crusty. So I'm gonna wash it, okay, baby? This delicate bag is a little excessive, but I cannot find the smaller one. So this is gonna have to do, okay? He's gonna be alright, baby. He's gonna be alright. We'll get him out. I aim to wash it with a load of towels. I don't know if that actually does anything, but it makes me feel like it's gentler if it's gonna be buffled with towels. And I'll probably sit here and watch the laundry the whole time. Alright, baby. Dryer time. He looks like he's doing okay in here. He looks a lot cleaner. We're gonna put him in the dryer, okay? I think someone's feeling a little lost without his hedgehog.
Did you switch to a sock? That's a little bit nicer than candy.
Here you go. He's good as new. Beatrice, do you like your little side cradle? Oh, it's very nice.